In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a word search puzzle book on Canva. We'll go from a blank design all the way to a print-ready PDF, using Canva's built-in tools and a handy app to generate clean, consistent puzzles. Start by opening your design in Canva. If you are creating a book, choose a consistent page size at the beginning. Use letter or A4, both work well for printing, and stick to simple margins so your puzzles don't run too close to the edges. Once your page is ready, look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Activities Maker and select the one by Pioneero Digital. Inside the Activities Maker, choose Word Search. Enter your word list. Set the difficulty level and pick a grid size. A larger grid supports longer or more words, while a smaller grid keeps the puzzle quick and compact. Try to match the number and length of words to your grid so everything feels balanced. When you are happy with the setup, generate the puzzle. The app will automatically create your grid and a matching solution key, saving you time and keeping the layout consistent from page to page. When your first puzzle looks good, duplicate the completed puzzle page to build out the rest of your book. Replace the word list for each new page to create fresh puzzles while keeping your design uniform. Drag the generated grid to fit the page neatly, aligning it so it's centered and easy to read. Maintain a consistent title style and instructions if you are including them, which helps the book feel cohesive. Create a new project for the cover and design a colorful, thematic front that matches the tone of your puzzles. Keep your fonts legible and your imagery simple so it prints well. When your interior is complete, place the solution key at the end of the book. You can use the solution provided by the app or create your own by duplicating each puzzle page and highlighting or circling the answers in the grid to form a clear solution key. Use a contrasting color or a semi-transparent highlight so the letters remain visible. When everything is finalized, click Share in the top right and choose Download. For the file type, select PDF print for the highest quality. If you have a Pro account, choose CMYK for better printing accuracy. Otherwise, select RGB for a standard, high-quality PDF. Save your file, and your word search puzzle book is ready to print or distribute. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating your puzzle book in Canva.